Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, new tokens, and I always try to make it easy for you to decide where and how to invest and what you will be getting in return. So today I'm here with another project to share with you all, from which you get a lot of benefit. So let's move to our side. They're currently in their pre-sale phase. You can buy from their pre-sale, and you will be having a great discount as well as bonus offer. So let's move to our side and let's know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Sunny Leon coin, world's first Bollywood celebrities name coin. They're currently in their public pre-sale. You can buy from their pre-sale. They're having a great offer as well. And this project is a BSC scan verified contract. You can have them on BSC as well. You can check their information, their website, and everything. You can access from BSC scan. So this is a sign of their legitimacy, and you can check it from BSC scan. You have their holders and recent transaction as well. You have all the details here. Okay, let's move to our side. So as I said, they are currently in their pre-sale phase, and you can buy from their pre-sale. Okay, so first of all, if you're using it on PC, so of course you have to connect your MetaMask wallet, or you can do it on mobile by Trust Wallet as well. So you have to connect your wallet, and then you can buy their token. Okay, do not send BNB to the token contract. You don't have to send BNB directly to the contract. You have to buy it right from here. All right, so token sale status is mentioned here, token sold, etc. and remaining. You have all the details right here, and the amount you have contributed will be mentioned here. So token sale information, they have mentioned everything you have here, and you have their contract address and QR code as well. Then about their refer program, you can check out their refer system as well. Share your referral link and get paid instantly to your wallet for every referred token purchase. You can generate your link right from here. You have to submit your B20 wallet address here, and your link will be generated. You can share this link to your social sites, social circle, and you will be getting commission whoever joins by your refer. Okay, so this is the special offer they're having for their pre-sale investors, pre-sale customers. So Sunny Leon Coin public pre-sale ending offer. The offer is if anyone buy one BNB and more than will get 100% extra tokens. So if you're investing one BNB or more than that, so you will be getting 100% of extra tokens, the amount which you will be investing. That should be of one BNB or more than one BNB. So this is a great offer. You can have this offer right now as they are in their pre-sale phase. Their public pre-sale is live, so you can grab this offer from their public pre-sale. So rush to this offer if you want to invest in Sunny Leon coin, and if you want to have their tokens. For sure they will be benefiting you more in coming days as soon as they will be listed. They have already applied for listing in Hotbit, so you can buy their tokens right now from the pre-sale, and you will be getting 100% of extra tokens if you buy from one BNB or more than that. So this is a great offer. Then we have their countdown to the pre-sale. One day you have left. The pre-sale will be ending by one day, so you have only one day to grab this great offer. And if you want to have this offer, so rush to now. And then the listing is mentioned here. They will be listing on PancakeSwap by 15 October when the pre-sale will be over. The listing price will be 0.20 and the pre-sale price is 0.008. Plus you have the offer to get 100% extra tokens if you invest 1 BNB or more than that. So you can grab their offer right now before it's too late. Then upcoming exchanges, as I already said, that they have officially applied for listing on Hotbit. You can check it here. And then PancakeSwap, they will be listing by 15th October. All right, we have their tokenomics as well. You can check out their total supply is 100 million. Then for public pre-sale, they have a reserve 10 million and burn 50% burning on PancakeSwap listing. 50 million will be burned. All right, so they have mentioned the steps how you can buy the token, video tutorial for how to buy in pre-sale. So you can check out the video. I'll let you watch this video at the end of my video, so you'll be able to know how you can buy their tokens. All right, so if you have anything in your mind, if you have any query, any question about the project, so you can ask them and you will be responded quickly. Then we have their social channels. You can follow them on their social channels. You can have their Telegram community and you can even follow them on Twitter as well. So you will be updated about all the things happening in their project. You can follow them on Twitter. So you will be notified as soon as any update they have about the listing or of course their giveaways, etc. So you can see the recent tweets. They have mentioned their special offer here as well, that if you were investing 1 BNB or more than 1 BNB in the pre-sale, so you will be getting 100% of extra tokens. So it's better to follow them here, so you will be notified about their giveaways or anything special and all the updates about the project you will be getting on time. Okay, so let's move to our site. We have their roadmap. Let's check out their roadmap so we know that what they have planned and what they have already achieved. So phase one was birth, marketing push to spread awareness, then website launch, 5,000 Telegram members, and meme development. Sunny Leon coin is born. Then phase two, crawling, influencer marketing push, listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. 15,000 Telegram members target to be achieved and 5,000 holders, third party audit. Phase 3 will be for walk, 10,000 holders, 25,000 Telegram members, airdrop, large influencer marketing push. Phase 4 run, 50,000 holders, Sunny on swap, website redesign. Okay, phase 5 will be for jump, 100,000 holders target, release NFT marketplace, NFT collection, NFT game. Giveaway surprise to promote camping of Sunny Leon at 200 million market cap. Then phase 6 will be to reach the moon and Sunny Leon at 1 billion market cap to the moon. So this was their roadmap. You can check out from their website to know what they have achieved and what they have planned for the future to get good exposure for their project and to benefit the investors as much as they can. We have their white paper as well. You can download their white paper and you can go through their white paper if you want to have more in detail information about the project, what their thoughts and what their vision is about the project. If you want to know detailed things, so you can go through their white paper. And I have told you everything about the project, about their pre-sale and the special offer, of course, that you will be having 100% of extra tokens from their pre-sale if you invest 1 BNB or more than that. So don't waste the time, and the listing price will be of course more than the pre-sale price. So I'll provide the link in my description. You can check out the project by yourself. You can do your own research, and if you're satisfied, so you can invest in it. You have 1 day left to grab their pre-sale, so don't miss this chance and go for the pre-sale. I hope you like their website. Yeah, if yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.